Welcome to online session. In today's science online session, we shall begin with lesson number 15, materials in daily use. Let us see the contents today we have to learn. Man-made substances, toothpaste, detergents, natural detergent and man-made detergent, types of soap, preparation of soap, cement, production. Let us begin with the first topic, man-made substances. A new substance produced by the chemical processing of natural substance is called a man-made substances. We are living in an era of many man-made substances where we live concreting. We are living in buildings. It is made up of cement. Then, in olden days in India, acacia bark, neem twigs, coal powder, salt, pomegranate rind were used for cleaning the teeth. Today, a variety of toothpaste or tooth powders are used for these purposes. Toothpaste. The principal ingredients of a toothpaste, calcium carbonate and calcium hydrogen phosphate, remove the dirt on teeth. A certain proportion of fluoride in the toothpaste helps prevent tooth decay. The first commercial toothpaste was made by the Colgate Company in New York City in 1873. That was the first toothpaste. We all are using Colgate or different more other brands. But still the Colgate, it was the first toothpaste produced from New York City. Next is detergents. Now during this pandemic time, we all are using much detergents for cleaning purposes, for sanitizing and all. The word detergent is derived from the Latin word detergere, which means to wipe away, to wash away. A detergent is a substance that cleans or wipes away dirt. Soap nut, soap pot, soap washing soda, shampoo are all detergents. The molecule of a detergent are long and the properties of its two ends are different. Detergents are surface active. One effect of surface activity is later formation. Here in the picture, now olden days, now also people are using this soap pod. It doesn't harm our skin. Some soaps, if we use, the quality is low quality soaps that may harm our skin. Then soap nut, both these are natural detergents. Natural detergent and man-made detergent. Soap nut, Rita, and soap pot, Shikakai are the natural detergent in common use. They contain a chemical named saponin. Soap is a man-made detergent. It is believed that soap was invented in the West about 2000 years ago. Types of soap. What are the types of soap? In the market, variety of soaps are there. Soaps in the form of liquid, in the normally which we use the soap bars, washing soap, then dishwashing soap. Like that you can find out different varieties of soap. Hard soap is used to washing clothes. It is a sodium salt or fatty acids. Salt. Soft soap is used for bathing. It is a potassium salt or fatty acid that is less harmful to the human skin. It does not cause irritation of the skin. In the hard water of a well or tube well, soap does not give lather but forms a set. As a result, soap loses its cleansing property. The long structural unit in the synthetic detergents are obtained from raw materials, which are mainly fats or kerosene. Yes, with the hard water, soap doesn't give any lather. So we couldn't able to wash the clothes or the vessels with the hard water. In the tube wells, we get hard water. Even see what is hard water. So we don't use such hard water for cleaning purpose because soap will not give a lather and doesn't have that cleaning property when we use hard water instead of normal soft water. Then in the synthetic detergents which are obtained, fats or kerosene also using for making that detergents. Next, preparation of soap. Yes, this you can do as an activity at home. You can practice this. How we can prepare our own soap. Take 60 ml of coconut oil in a beaker. Dissolve 50 grams of sodium hydroxide solution in the oil slowly while stirring it with a glass rod. Heat the mixture, boil it for 10 to 12 minutes, stirring it all while. Dissolve 15 grams salt in 200 ml water. Pour the solution into the above mixture and stir well. The soap formed by the chemical reaction now floats on the water. Now separate the thick soap, add the perfume to it, shape the bar of soap using the mold. Simple, you can do at home. Coconut oil is available. Then sodium hydroxide also available in the market. In the stationery shop you ask, you will get. Then this you can try at home. How to take a normal any old tin and all, there you can practice this. You can do it as an activity. And if you want perfumes or some this juice of rose water or such type of perfumes, natural perfumes you can add, so that your own soap you can make at home. Cement production is in the beginning only I said all the houses or the buildings which you can see near to your surrounding or in the cities and all made up of cement. Cement is an important material in construction. Sheets, blocks, pillars and pipes are made from concrete produced from cement. Cement is a dry, greenish grey powder with fine particles. It is made from silica, sand, alumina, lime, iron oxide and magnesia. Portland cement is the most commonly used cement for construction work. Concrete is prepared by mixing cement, water, sand and gravel. For making a strong and leak-proof slab, certain substances are mixed in concrete. Concreting is buildings are at the roof, mostly it is concreting. Now we will come to the end of the session. Assignment: give scientific reason. Soap cannot be used with hard water. That I explained it is given in the video. Why soap hard water couldn't able to give lather with soap. Often colored spots are formed on clothes during washing. It reacts with the detergents which you are adding for cleaning the cloth. Answer the following questions in your own words. Make a list of detergents that you use. Distinguish between natural detergent and man-made detergent. What are the ingredients of cement? So these all given in the videos itself. You can refer textbook and write down these answers in your science notebook. So that's about